School of the Environment, Geography and Geoscience, we have some fantastic geochemical laboratories. I'm currently in the laser ablation mass spectrometry lab, where we measure a whole range of different materials, from plastics and biological material to rocks and minerals. We use this laser and we measure things on this mass spectrometer. For instance, we can date how old rocks are, and that has a large number of applications. We're interested in everything from planetary geology to looking at seismically active faults here on Earth. We have researchers coming from all over the world to do research in our laboratories. As well as that, we also use these for teaching. I'm working on a project in the northern part of Canada looking at gold mineralization. I've been able to date the mineralization and when it happened using our facilities. But as well as that, I have 3 undergraduate students working on this data as part of their final year dissertation projects.
Hi, my name is James Darling, one of the geoscience lecturing staff here in the school, and I will take the opportunity to show you some of the wonderful facilities that we have at our disposal for really interrogating earth and environmental samples at much greater detail than is possible through either visual inspection or using the microscopy facilities that Catherine has already showed you. So we have lots of laboratories here in Burnaby Building with equipment like instruments behind me. This is a scanning electron microscope which allows us to image at very, very high magnifications, up to many thousands of times. We can look at the chemistry of individual minerals and their structure as well. And that helps us to understand how samples have formed and how they've been affected by different processes through time, which is important for a whole range of applied geology and geoscience industries. Other things that we have in the school here, there are laboratories to understand the mineral species that make up samples, their chemistry, their physical properties, and a wide range of ways of characterizing natural materials in great levels of detail. And we look forward to showing you some of these throughout your degree programs and training you in how to design experiments and use some of this wonderful equipment.